How to make split screens videos on Instagram Reels. Hey guys, let's get started. So first of all, head over to your Instagram application and log in. Now to make a reel, tap on this plus icon on the bottom center. Then swipe to the right or the left to go to Reels section and then tap on camera. This will open the video. Now tap on video layout. Choose the layout or the split screen that you want and then you can tap on the shutter button to take the video. However, if you just want to add a video that is already on your gallery, you can tap on the side where you want to add and click on this camera icon or the gallery icon on the bottom left. Select the video that you want to add on the split screen and then tap on the tick button. This has now created a reel with a split screen on different videos. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.